MS Dhoni has stepped down as the rising Pune Supergiants captain for the 10th season of the Indian Premier League. It emerged on Sunday. Disagreeing with reports in sections of the media that said Dhoni had been demoted, a team official said, "Dhoni is a legend of Indian and world cricket. Who are we to ask him to step down? He chose to step down because he wants to enjoy his cricket and play with freedom." Dhoni had resigned from the captaincy of the Indian limited overs teams a month and a half ago, and Virat Kohli was handed the reins as full-time skipper. Pune have captaincy options in Steven Smith and Faf du Plessis, who both lead their national teams. Of the two, Smith could be the front-runner to replace Dhoni, with du Plessis likely to leave early this season due to his commitments with the South Africa team. Dhoni has been the captain in each of the past 9 seasons of the IPL, leading Chennai Super Kings from 2008 to 2015 and taking charge of Pune in 2016. Pune didn't have a great tournament first up. They were beset by injuries to key players, including Smith and du Plessis, and finished second from bottom.